Grab it off, buddy.
This is bossing. Now it's time for that Subi rallying style now.
I went out one night with the boys from work, and somehow these ended up on me. I don't know who they are.
Stole them, long story short. Oh! That is fucking sad. Boys packing up, gonna head out of here. Just easy.
Yes, please.
Bro, how did you even fit in the RS?
How did I fit?
Yeah.
Not great. Not great. I was sort
Were
of
you
like,
comfortable
I
at
was
least?
sort of like that way, and then I could go full stretch. Yeah, it was comfy.
Packed up. Let's get out of here.
OK RFM is the voice
What the fuck?
of
Someone's
the
talking.
region.
Are you a local?
Taking the XR5 off-roading. Yeah.
Already zooming. If I'm going this far.
Yes, it is. We're going the speed limit, alright?
Yeah.
So cops, don't be scared. Bro, he's actually lighting up the whole road.
I know. Look at that, dude.
The thing is, the camera doesn't justify how much he's actually lighting it up.
Yeah, yeah. Actually crazy. Well, they actually did patch a lot of them. Man.
It's pretty weird. Turning left here.
Oh, bro, this is a full right.
Mate, what?
XR5.
Patrols, bro, what are you on about, bro?
Bro,
you didn't need
you
it.
see the
Strip it,
XR5?
yeah.
You just need a Ford Focus, mate.
For real.
Oh, that was... It's very scary.
Oh, that's a bridge. You want me to... So you can actually see. Oh, look at that. We're going on the water now, mate.
Yeah, mate.
Look at this. This is true full power right here.
What is?
He wouldn't.
On the bridge where no one can leave.
Oh, dude, it's hella dead.
Bro, where the hell's the boys park? Oh, right here.
Wait, are they on the right?
They're right here. They're right here.
Yeah, what the hell? That's sick.
Oh, we're parking on the right now. I mean, we're camping on the right. Sick.
That is fucking sad.
What?
That's sad.
You just squirted on my hand.
Oh.
Come wait, follow me.
I don't want to fight.
Oh, we need a little light. Oh, there we go.
Telling you, right now.
Did the kid ever draw in your car?
This is the what?
The kid.
Did you drive my car?
Bro, he was fucking touching your car before.
Oh, that's right. I think he just liked it. This is the Rashid mobile, bro. It's so dirty. This is my Ibaraki's. Oakley's, mate. These are called the You know how I got these glasses? There's a funny story behind these glasses. I went out one night with the boys from work, and somehow these ended up on me. I don't know whose they are. No one.
He stole them, long story short. Oh fuck, can't even see, holy shit.
I asked all the boys, they're not there.
The best thing, camping with the homies. Nothing gets better than that. Taking your fucking cars out. Yeah, let's about to eat some fucking dinner.
I can't breathe, bro.
Bow, but stop talking then. You're just gonna hold your mouth and
Bro, breathing, what do you mean? Stop
Do the
talking.
glasses help or?
Not really, but we fucking...
He has Oakley's on. He's dripped out the campsite. I tried. Yo.
One sec, let it
I'll grab it off, I don't care.
This is
Bro, just fucking...
bossing. It's actually pretty good.
Chris,
Crib for the night. Oh shit, came up $25 tent.
alright.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, did you see me taking that photo? Hey, my bad, bro.
Now it's time for that Subi rallying style now.